Hey guys, Shifter here, welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how to get infinite amounts of virtual credit cards. You're probably wondering, why do you need a virtual credit card? My normal credit card is just fine. Wrong. The problem with real credit cards is typically a lot of people put subscriptions on them and they completely forget about it. But today I'm going to show you guys a sure way on how to actually get virtual credit cards so you're not actually losing money. But something that will actually make you earn money is by subscribing to the channel, because I'm always giving out methods on how you guys can go ahead and earn money and actually do so online. That sounds interesting? Consider subscribing and liking the video. But anyways, let's go jump right into the video. The first thing you guys want to go ahead and do is download the Revolut app. You guys will also get a reward as well in the terms of free money, so I highly recommend using the link down in the description below. Once you guys sign up with the link down in the description below, you'll come across single use card and virtual card. So let's go ahead and check it out. Single use card is actually one of my favorite options because it allows you not to keep getting charged. Unfortunately, Revolut does hide the card information, but you guys will actually easily be able to create a virtual card, but you will have to add money to the account, so just keep that in mind, especially if you want to go ahead and use this virtual credit card online. You do have to go ahead and add money to the card, and pretty much it will get spent that way, and you can actually use it single use, and you could also have it as a reoccurring card as well, which is actually really nice. So this is why I've been using Revolut to go ahead and get a lot of benefits and do a lot of online shopping. But I know that is not the only reason why people are using virtual credit cards. So if you're trying to use virtual credit cards on PayPal, then this card is not going to work, and I'm going to go ahead and direct you guys to a special type of virtual credit card that actually does work on PayPal and other financial services, which is really nice. CVC Wallet is my go-to when I'm trying to send money on PayPal. Let's say something quote unquote happened to PayPal, and you guys probably know what would happen, but you guys could actually use this virtual credit card to send money and also deposit money out of your account, which is really nice. So simply go ahead and sign up with the link down in the description below, and you guys can go ahead and create your very own virtual credit card. The only downside about this is this card is not free to go ahead and create, but it is pretty much only $5, so you guys can go ahead and create one and literally get started. You can also pick the billing address as well to make it very nice for your needs. Overall, I really do like CVC Wallet, and they have a lot of good features, and you can deposit money into the platform by using crypto, and it's probably one of my go-tos, especially when I want to go ahead and use a brand new PayPal account and I need a brand new payment method and I ran out of cards. They also have USA bank accounts as well, which is actually really helpful, especially if you're trying to use Payoneer or any other financial services and you just don't have a bank account, which definitely can get in the way sometimes. So I highly recommend going ahead and using CVC Wallet if you guys actually have found that these other types of virtual credit cards are not working for your needs. But this is probably one of my favorite ones to go ahead and check out, especially because it does work on PayPal. For the next one, it's going to be privacy.com, and the reason why I didn't recommend this at first was because it's only available in the US. Revolut is actually available in a few countries, which makes it very beneficial, and CVC Wallet could literally be used in any country, so that's why it's very valuable. So I wanted to give those to you first. But privacy is actually a good alternative as well. It is available in the US, and you're able to go ahead and make as many virtual credit cards as you want, single use, and you can also use it for merchant specific transactions as well. So let's say I want to go ahead and use a virtual credit card for, let's say, Target, and I don't want to go ahead and use it for Walmart as well. I can go ahead and limit which merchant is going to be able to go ahead and charge the card, which is really nice, especially you don't want any unwanted charges to your virtual credit cards. You can also delete your virtual credit card as soon as it's made, so I highly recommend checking out privacy if you guys haven't done so already, and you can do so by clicking the link down in the description below because it would be very beneficial to the channel. But privacy is definitely a good alternative to the first two options if those do not work for you. Some honorable mentions you guys could try is actually going to be Cash App. Cash App does have their own virtual credit card that you guys can go ahead and use. It is going to be deducting from the Cash App balance, so you guys can see that I do have $1,500 inside of my balance, but it's actually only going to be taking from there, and it's not really like a real credit card. Step is pretty much the same. Luckily for Step, you can go ahead and make as many virtual cards as you want with this, and it does work on PayPal surprisingly enough, so keep that that in mind. One downside with the 4 credit cards that I mentioned, Cash App, Step, Revolut, and even Privacy, is that they do not allow you to actually create it in someone else's name. So let's say you have an account in another name and the Step account is in someone else's name, then you're unable to go ahead and create a brand new card in that new name. But CVC Wallet does have that covered. You can go ahead and select your billing address, and you can also select your name on the card, which is actually really nice, and you can go ahead and make purchases with other names. So especially for security, this could be really good, and this is why I like CVC Wallet. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to sign up for any of the virtual credit cards, all the links are going to be down in the description below. It would actually help out the channel, and it's going to help you guys out because a lot of them are giving out free benefits just for signing up. But I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shift3 Reviews. Bye!